Now we're going to do paragraph 1. We'll start off with how the slogan has helped our country. Here's our topic sentence. Students excel in school and national examinations. That's our point. Next, we shall elaborate. It's due in large part to meritocracy, which we value, almost worship actually. Each student has to strive to do his best in order to succeed. This ties in with our question, striving for excellence. So everyone struggles to enter top schools, to obtain coveted scholarships. Coveted means highly desired. The example in this case will be this organization called OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. You will have to remember this, okay? They did a study in 2015, which Singapore emerged top amongst, I believe, almost 80 countries, between 75 to 80 countries, in test scores for both math and science. It's actually quite a remarkable achievement. Here's our link. Thus, the slogan has propelled Singapore into achieving remarkable academic achievements. Next, we'll discuss about how it has hindered our society. So right here we have led to high levels of stress among students. We have written this point before many times, so I'm sure you know how to use this quite well already by now. The idea that everyone is striving for excellence means there is a relentless struggle. Everyone is constantly trying to do his best. We will try to bring in the idea of Red Queen hypothesis, which we discussed before. If you remember, it's about this girl named Alice in the book called Through the Looking Glass. Through the Looking Glass. And in the book, if you remember, the Red Queen tells Alice to run as quick as she can just to stay where she is. So this is what students in Singapore are experiencing. Do as much as they can, but they don't see much improvements. So that leads to high levels of stress. Let's ignore this point, shall we? We have a booming tuition and enrichment industry in Singapore. You know this as well. The workload of students is very heavy. You will talk about that. Last is our link. Hence, when there is such focus on excellence, the stress levels of students increase. They experience more stress levels because their lives revolve primarily around academic pursuits. And that's actually a form of hindrance.